Hey everyone, welcome back to Today India Career Pulse. If you are someone who has been waiting eagerly for updates from Cognizant regarding your offer letter, onboarding, or hiring status, this video is just for you. So, here is the latest update. Cognizant has officially started rolling out offer letters to candidates who had received their letter of intent earlier this year. Many students who completed their background verification and other formalities in early June are now receiving their official offer letters in their secure and digital mailboxes. Now, if you are someone who hasn't received your offer letter yet, don't panic. Many candidates from the June interview batch are still waiting. Cognizant is releasing offer letters in phases based on various internal processes and business needs, so delays are normal. Here is a broader view. Cognizant had earlier announced plans to hire around 20,000 freshers between 23 and 25. By end of the June this year, they have already onboarded about 7.5k candidates. In the remaining half of the year, they are expected to hire around 7.5 candidates, bringing them closer to their goal. If your interview happened in June or July and you haven't heard back, don't worry. Similar delays happened with May candidates as well. Some of them got updates even after 45 days. It's not uncommon. Keep checking your digital mailbox, secure mail, and even spam folders regularly. Sometimes updates might get lost in that. Currently, Cognizant is focusing on onboarding candidates who received offer letters earlier. Once their joining is completed, attention will shift to the June-July batch. So just hanging there. So, to sum up, offer letters are being rolled out, onboarding is in progress, and hiring is still active. If you are waiting for your LOI or onboarding date, stay patient, stay alert, and keep checking your mailboxes. Your turn is coming soon, just give it some time. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring timely updates, insights, and support for freshers like you. See you in the next video.